Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another recipe. Today we're going to be making 90-second pizza in a mug. Now I've made this a number of times before and these are really great, so why don't we go right into the recipe. Let's get going on the recipe. For this recipe you're going to need one large egg, room temperature, and then we're going to put the egg in a mug, preferably a microwavable safe mug. Just follow me along, you guys be fine. Over here I'm real careful not to get any shell in my mug. Then you're going to need a tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of half and half cream, or heavy cream if you have it, whatever you have on hand. Milk will work too. Remember, trying to keep everything low. Now over here I'm taking the whisk and I'm whisking it really well, incorporating all. This should work really well if you have one of those frothers here, but I didn't have one on hand, so I'm using what I have. And then you're going to need your dry ingredients. Obviously you're going to add a little bit of almond flour. I believe that was about 1 tablespoon of almond flour. You're going to mix well till there's no lumps. I'll have all the directions below the timeline. And then you're going to smooth it out with a spoon once you get everything all mixed up. Pretty simple, right guys? Easy peasy. Now what's really great about this is you can use this particular recipe to put it in one of those paper containers and bring it with you to work, and you can warm it up in the microwave. Then you're going to add your favorite sauce. I'm using pizza sauce from the Rayo's Pizza Company, or Rayo sauce. And this is really one of my favorite sauces, and any sauce will work, whatever your favorite sauce is. And now you're going to layer it out just like you would a lasagna. And you can see I'm smoothing it out over here in the video with my spoon. Pretty easy. Just follow me along guys and you'll be fine. And the amount of sauce you put in is basically whatever you want to put into your mug. As you can see, I'm still, it doesn't take all that long to put all this together. This is really great for an afternoon snack, or when you come home and you're hungry and you don't feel like cooking anything. And now it's time to add your favorite toppings. Over here I'm adding some mozzarella cheese, because you have, what pizza wouldn't be complete without mozzarella cheese? And then I'm adding a little, maybe I'm saying to say maybe about a half a cup of cheese in my mug. Now it's time to add our favorite toppings. I had some frozen onions and peppers in the freezer, so I took them out there. That's why I did a little bit for freezer burn. So you just add whatever you think, whatever you want. You can add pepperoni, you can add olives, you can add a pizza, whatever you want for your favorite toppings. And then you're going to get ready to microwave it for 90 seconds. But remember, all microwave times vary, so you might have to add a little more or a little less. And when it came out of the microwave oven, that's what it looked like. If it looks a little dry, you can add a little more sauce to it. It's not a big deal. And then it's time to take a taste test to see how it tastes. And this tasted absolutely great. And again, you can have, this is great for kids for an afternoon snack. You can make this up ahead of time. And it looked a little dry here to me, but when I tasted it, it tasted absolutely fantastic. And I think I did add a little more sauce to this, if I remember right. But anyways, these came out great. It's good for a quick fix. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, I love you. God loves you. Have an amazing day. Oh, before I forget, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys.